The imperfections are only imperfections because we're calling them imperfections, but in reality they're just a characteristic that makes something unique. A lot of people, when they walk into my office, they tell me that they like my office. They like the building, the space, and to be honest, it has a lot of imperfections, and I mean a lot of imperfections, but are those small imperfections that make it so unique that it's perhaps something that most people have not seen. And when you think about human beings, about life in general, the beautiful part about life is uniqueness. Everybody has a unique gift. Everybody has something unique that makes them valuable. And unfortunately, in this world, in this age, we often want to get rid of our uniqueness, and we want to be like somebody else. And that somebody else that we want to be like, they want to be like somebody else, and it's almost like we're following an idea that doesn't even exist. And that is robbing us of our divinity, our uniqueness, our value. What I have to offer you is that part of me that makes me unique. And I've seen this over and over and over. A lot of people that everybody has a lot to offer, but a lot of people are blinded to what they have to offer, to their uniqueness, they actually see it at the wrong angle, and they think of it as a negative thing, as a thing that they need to overcome, that they need to change.